Welcome to BestoLMS. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create a new exam for your students. From the side menu, go to the Academic section and click on Exams. Now, click on Create First Exam or the Create Exam button. Start by entering the exam title and a short description. Next, choose the exam date and select the exam type. For example, unit test, midterm, or final exam. Select the class and subject for which this exam is being created. Now, enter the maximum marks and set the duration of the exam. Finally, select the status of the exam, whether it's scheduled, ongoing, completed, or canceled. Once all the details are filled, click on the Create Exam button and your exam is ready. That's it. You've successfully created an exam in BestoLMS. With everything in one place, planning and managing exams has never been easier. Stay tuned for more BestoLMS tutorials.